Now, this next slide is the actual virtual laboratory for the cultivation of virus in chick embryo. Me and my students were able to use this in our developmental biology laboratory. So we were able to inject the virus, or it could be bacteria or any microorganism, for us to observe whether the chick embryo will develop or not develop. So there. And it's really nice and fun to use. So another good feature of this PraxiLabs is that it comes with laboratory manual. And this laboratory manual actually could be downloaded. And if you could download it, you have better understanding of what really is happening in the procedure that we are using. One more good point about this PraxiLab is there's a quiz or a test at the end of each activity. Each of the student using the PraxiLab or a certain activity could be able to get this test and know for himself whether what he did is correct or not. So there, it's really easy.